It's probably sitting in your spice rack right now, collecting dust. But for centuries, this tiny dried bud was worth more than gold. I'm talking about the clove. Most people use it for holiday hams or pumpkin pie. But what happens if you actually eat it? Not just smell it, but consume 2 cloves every single day for 1 week? We track the biological changes and the results are shocking. Here is exactly what happens to your body on day 1 through day 7. To understand what happens, you need to know about eugenol. It's the active compound in cloves, and it acts like a potent antioxidant in your body. On day 1, you swallow those 2 cloves, maybe with water or in a tea, and the eugenol hits your bloodstream. It's like dropping an atomic bomb on inflammation. By day 2, you might feel a slight tingle in your mouth or warmth in your stomach. That's the antimicrobial properties kicking in. Cloves are so powerful against oral bacteria that they actually outperform some synthetic mouthwashes in lab tests. You're literally disinfecting your gut from the inside out. Day 3 is where it gets interesting. Cloves have been shown in multiple studies to mimic insulin and help push sugar from your blood into your cells. If you're eating a standard diet, you might notice your afternoon crash isn't as bad. One study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that clove extract significantly lowered blood glucose levels. By day 3, your cells are becoming more sensitive to insulin. Translation: less fat storage, more steady energy. Day 4 is when the heavy lifting starts. Your liver is your body's oil filter, and by now it's getting a massive boost. Eugenol has been shown to reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Specifically, it helps combat fatty liver disease by improving enzyme function. This is also why your skin might start looking clearer. Less stress on the liver means toxins get processed out, not pushed into your skin. You might wake up on day 4 looking less puffy and more refreshed than you have in months. Here's a fact that shocks most people. Cloves contain manganese. In fact, just 2 cloves provide a significant chunk of your daily requirement. Manganese is a trace mineral that is absolutely critical for bone formation. By day 5, while you won't build a skeleton overnight, you are providing the raw materials your body needs to maintain bone density. For anyone worried about osteoporosis or joint pain, this is where cloves act as a silent guardian for your skeleton. Day 6, you've been taking cloves for almost a week. The cumulative effect on your immune system is now at its peak. The eugenol and other flavonoids have been shown to increase the production of white blood cells. But here's the kicker. Cloves are also a natural painkiller. Ever wonder why clove oil is used for toothaches? It numbs the nerves. By day 6, if you have any lingering minor aches, joint pain, headaches, you might notice they've dialed down a notch without you taking any pills. It's day 7, 1 week, 2 cloves a day. The most noticeable change: your digestion. Cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes. That bloating you usually feel after a heavy meal, it's gone. Cloves help relax the smooth lining of your gastrointestinal tract, which means less gas, less cramping, and better nutrient absorption. You haven't just been eating a spice, you've been tuning up your entire engine. So the truth is, eating 2 cloves a day for a week can transform your blood sugar, liver health, bones, and digestion. It's one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods on the planet. But, and this is a big but, cloves are potent. They contain a compound that can thin the blood. If you are on blood thinners like warfarin, or if you have a scheduled surgery, do not do this without consulting your doctor. Also, eating more than 2 to 3 cloves a day long-term can cause toxicity. 2 is the magic number. Okay, stop. If you just took that footage of me eating cloves and shoved a dry, whole clove in your mouth, you just made a terrible mistake. Cloves are spicy, like really spicy. They contain a numbing agent that will make your mouth feel like you just chewed Novocaine. If you do that, you won't make it to day 2. Here is method 1, the tea. Take 2 cloves, crush them slightly with the back of a spoon to release the oils, drop them into hot water, let it steep for 10 minutes, add honey and lemon. The honey neutralizes the fire, the lemon adds vitamin C, and the cloves do the work. It actually tastes like a spiced chai. But if you really want to supercharge this experiment, don't take cloves alone. You stack them. This is called the infection crusher tea. Take 2 cloves, a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, and 1 crushed clove of garlic. Pour boiling water over all 3. Let it cool. Why this combination? Ginger primes your gut for absorption. Garlic boosts the sulfur compounds needed for liver detox. And cloves, they act as the delivery driver, pushing everything into your cells. This trio is clinically proven to shorten the duration of the common cold by up to 50%. There is a reason why every longevity enthusiast on the planet is making golden paste. Turmeric is great, but it needs 2 things to work: black pepper for absorption and fat to carry it. But add cloves, you just created a master formula. Cloves act as a synergist. They make the curcumin and turmeric stay in your system longer. The combination reduces inflammation markers like CRP, C-reactive protein, significantly more than either ingredient alone. Mix turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, coconut oil, and 2 ground cloves. Take a spoonful of that paste in warm milk at night. It's nature's sleeping pill and anti-inflammatory shot in one. Here is a tip the fitness influencers won't tell you. Skip the expensive pre-workout powder filled with artificial beta-alanine. Try this 30 minutes before the gym. Remember the blood sugar stabilization we talked about. Cloves help regulate glucose so you don't crash mid-workout. Because cloves improve circulation, thanks to the eugenol relaxing blood vessels, your muscles get oxygen faster. It's not a caffeine jitter, it's a steady release of energy. 2 cloves ground up in a smoothie with banana and peanut butter? That's the perfect pre-workout fuel. If you hate the taste of tea or you want to preserve cloves for months, you make clove honey. Fill a small jar 1/3 full with whole cloves. Fill the rest with raw organic honey. Seal it and let it sit on your counter for 2 weeks. As it sits, the honey, which is a natural preservative, extracts all the medicine from the cloves. After 2 weeks, you have a thick syrup. 1 spoonful of this honey a day is the equivalent of eating 2 cloves. It soothes sore throats instantly, boosts immunity, and tastes like liquid gold. This is how people stored medicine before pharmacies existed. But we need to talk about the dark side. Remember when I said 2 cloves is the magic number? I meant it. If you get excited and start eating 10 cloves a day thinking more is better, you will regret it. Eugenol is powerful, but in high doses it can actually become toxic to the liver. It can cause severe nausea, dizziness, and even liver damage. There is a condition called clove toxicity. Also, because it's a mild blood thinner, if you combine it with aspirin or fish oil, you could bruise easily or bleed longer from a cut. If you're healthy and looking for a natural edge, grab some organic cloves, start with 1 a day to test tolerance, and work your way up. The results might just shock you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.